This is the latest progress. I built a pole frame structure and this sheeting with plastic as a temporary shelter for the boiler for this winter. This will let me build the hot water reservoir inside and through the winter continue carrying out some steam turbine tests. So here's again the wood chip delivery. You can see the wood chips feeding in a little at a time. About the rate that they come in at. Just kind of randomly drop it in. It's hard to see them. They don't go very fast. And the burner, and it's running right now, and you can see it's pretty clean. Even with the white backdrop, you can't really pick out dark smoke. Sometimes you can, a little bit off and on. That'll improve when the refractory burner is constructed. And water inlet outlet. So now, sort of like a big atrium, all I did was use some poles for vertical support and then drape some plastic PVC up and over and secured it on the sides and made a little makeshift truss sort of thing. And pulled down and that will create a nice sized footprint interior space. I'll get this all cleaned out and build the hot water reservoir, and then the house heating will call for heat from the reservoir, and the boiler will only go from the reservoir back to the reservoir, rather than right now to heat the house I have to fire up the boiler and push the heat through the house because I don't have a reservoir yet. And there are the two lines going in and out, same as it has been, although I cleaned up the inlet outlet lines. Nothing's insulated yet, so still very inefficient there. This is the return barrel. There's the water line. Water's pretty warm in here. But at least I'm recycling the water rather than dumping it on the ground now. So one step at a time moving forward. And that little gap between the two buys is going to be an air gap so that I can put plastic sheeting on this side of the building, but there'll be good air circulation inside when it's raining. So just about got it weather tight, and thankfully we have had a lot of clear blue skies.